Luthra brothers detained in Thailand. What next? They have been detained already and deportation will follow. Goa police sources have revealed to Times Now that the Goa police team will fly to Thailand and the police team is on standby. They are ready to drag back the Luthras and are only awaiting the procedural clearances. My colleague Priyank Tripathi gets us the latest on how this entire process is going to follow. And Priyank, the Goa police officials confirming that a team is on standby to fly for bringing back the Luthras. How long could this take? What is the process exactly?
Yes, Ati, Pratibha, what Rucha has been reporting was that a meeting was happening in Goa regarding the further strategy which could have been opted. And now we have confirmation regarding the further strategy which need to be taken by the Goa police official after the consultation with the high-rank officers. The team of officials have been told to be on standby because they exactly don't know that whether the two deportees will be sent back to Mumbai or they will be coming through the national capital. They are connecting flights which goes to Goa from either Phuket or from Bangkok. So all these options are being chalked out, and that will certainly depend on the kind of paperwork which is being done at the immigration center there back in Phuket, from where our colleague Isha was also reporting on. The fact of the matter is that these brothers were detained while they were in a three-star hotel. They were hiding there, and soon after the police officials spotted their presence at that location after their passports were cancelled, although they were not coming out from the hotel. The team of officials went inside and they did a thorough checkup of these individuals who were staying there. Saurabh and Gaurav Luthra, both of the brothers, were detained from the location. They were handcuffed with the plastic tags and they were brought to the immigration center where they have been probably kept as of now. We are also trying to get in touch with the Indian embassy officials because they will be the first responder who will be going to the location so that their representation from the Indian side can be done. But the Goa police team is certainly on standby depending on the scenario. They will be moving from Goa to the location from where they will be taking a handover of both the accused.
Okay, all right. Do stay with us, Priyank. In fact, Times Now has been leading the coverage and this pursuit for justice for the victims. 25 lives have been lost. In the latest, we've also accessed the Blue Corner notice that had been issued. And remember, this was a very important step in actually nabbing the Luthra brothers. A Blue Corner notice had been issued after a lookout circular had also been issued by the Goa police against the Luthra brothers. And this actually details the criminal offence. And look at the dates, it's extremely important. And this was the notice that had been given with the offence being mentioned as manslaughter. So that is when the Thai authorities also got into the investigation and immediately, of course, detained the two individuals. Remember, their passports had also been suspended, which made it clear that they can't move out of Thailand, and their very presence in Thailand also became illegal because the passports had been suspended with immediate effect. Now, we have also accessed the Blue Corner notice. Now, this was also a very, very important step because this actually notifies the officials across the globe and in Thailand as well that these are two individuals of interest that the Indian authorities are looking at. Now, these are the details of the Blue Corner notice that had been given, and interestingly, the charge against them also being mentioned as manslaughter. 25 lives had been lost in the country. Some of the details, remember, are also extremely chilling. Let's also take a look at the other details that have come in and what is actually going to be next. Because now, remember, at the moment, they remain detained in Thailand. They've been detained by the Thai authorities. What's going to happen next is that they're going to be formally arrested by the officials. And that is when they will be taken to the airport after the clearances, the procedural clearances that will come in. And at the airport will be the officials from India. So the Indian authorities will be there. They will be handed over to the Indian authorities, after which they're expected as of now to be brought to Delhi, after which they will go to Goa. Remember, Goa is where the FIR has been filed in this regard. So they will be taken to Goa on a transit remand. Let's go across to my colleague Rucha, who's joining us on the broadcast. She's been tracking all the developments from Goa where the case has actually been filed. The FIR in the case has been filed. And Rucha, it seems like it's only a matter of time. Within just a few hours, Luthra brothers will be in Goa, the very place that they wanted to escape from facing the law. They will be there. What really awaits them in Goa?
Well, of course, the coming few hours are very important for the Goa government, in fact, specifically for the Goa police, because they have been tracking these brothers since Sunday, when they first communicated with the brothers, informed them about the fire incident, after which immediately the brothers took flight at 1:17 a.m. and rushed to the airport and left the country at about 5 a.m. Now, after the efforts of so many days, the brothers have been tracked. They will very soon be handed over to the Indian authorities in Delhi, and after that, the Delhi police, which is the Goa police team, which is already present there in Delhi, will bring them back here. And bringing them in Goa is very important because the location where the incident has taken place is Goa. The first FIR is filed in Goa.
Okay, Richa, just a moment. We have more breaking updates coming in. I'll come back to you. Breaking updates coming in the probe. The co-owner, Ajay Gupta, has been produced in court. He has been sent to 7-day police custody. So Ajay Gupta has been sent to 7-day police custody. He was produced in court today. Remember, he is also a co-owner. So Ajay Gupta had been arrested by the police officials, but it was the two brothers, the Luthra brothers, who had fled from the country. So in the latest, now Ajay Gupta has been produced in court and has now been sent to 7-day police custody for the investigations in the case. In fact, the Luthra brothers had also tried to appeal for some interim relief when they had claimed that they are not really involved in the day-to-day activities, and they had claimed that it was their managers who were managing the restaurant at the time of this fire incident. Priyank also on the broadcast with us. And Priyank, take us through what happened in the court. Ajay Gupta being sent to 7-day custody.
Yes, the Goa police had produced him before the court. They are back in Goa, and they have managed to get 7 days of police remand. This is going to be a very crucial period because so far the police officials' investigation is concerned about the kind of act which was done by the owners, which led to this kind of casualty which has taken life of 25 individuals. That's why they have been booked under the stringent sections of BNS. For the next 7 days, the accused will be there on the police custody, so the number of accused is certainly increasing, and adding to what can happen in the next 24 hours is going to be very important, on the basis of which the Luthra brothers could also be brought back, and they will also be confronted with Ajay Gupta. In his defense, Ajay Gupta has stated before the police official that he was a silent partner. He had only invested money. But the fact of the matter is, Pratibha, that these were the individuals who were generating huge amount of money from this particular resort, and they were not applying the brain that how is it possible they can make some structure which is certainly floutation of the environmental norms also, and that can also be very lethal for the life of other individuals. That's why the sections of endangering life of human being have been added in this FIR. And the breaking input is that the sixth accused in this case, Ajay Gupta, who was arrested from the national capital and who was taken to Goa on the 3 days of transit remand, has been sent to 7 days of police remand by the court back there in Goa. On the other side, the procedure to bring back the Luthra brothers back to India is still on.
Okay, all right. But the clear message from the Indian authorities is you can run, you can hide, but you can't escape the law. Let's break down what really happened in these 5 days. Let's give a timeline of what actually happened. Remember, it was on the 6th, late in the night, when the fire broke out. Now, look at the timing. It was at 11:47, close to midnight, when the fire broke out. Now, look at the time when the Luthra brothers actually booked their tickets. Not even 1.5 hours. In fact, the Goa police actually revealed that the fire was still on. The firefighting efforts were still on. And instead of helping out or joining the investigations or trying to see whether their employees make it alive or not, the Luthra brothers were actually booking their tickets to flee from the country. And it was at 5:30 a.m. when they took that flight to Thailand. So immediately flying out, within just about 5 hours, they were out of the country. And on the 11th of December, they were detained. So today, they have been detained. Of course, there was a big process in between where a lookout circular had been issued, a blue corner notice, and also, of course, the suspension of the passport that finally led to them being detained by the police officials. Thanking Priyank and Richa for joining us with those details. The timeline really throws light on how this entire investigation has taken place so far. Remember, now that they are detained in Thailand, they will be brought back to the country, and this is where they will face the law. They will be brought to Delhi, after which they will be brought to Goa, where the case and the investigation is going to continue. Let's get you more breaking updates now coming in.